Good day, everyone. I'm Professor Nilo T. Bugtay, the current Director of the Institute of Biomedical Engineering and Health Technology of the La Salle University, Manila, Philippines. The Institute of Biomedical Engineering and Health Technologies, or IBET, is a center of innovation dedicated to advancing the field of biomedical engineering and transforming healthcare through technology. Our mission is to develop solutions that bridge the significant gap between groundbreaking biomedical discoveries and their practical application in healthcare. The founding of IBET is driven by a clear need for a dedicated facility that could address the critical challenges in the healthcare sector in the Philippines. Recognizing the potential of biomedical engineering is to revolutionize patients' care. We established IBET in December 2018 with the support of the Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Council for Health Research and Development, or the DOST-PCHRD. Our goal was to catalyze the development of biomedical devices and technologies, providing state-of-the-art facilities and services that enable researchers and institutions to transform their innovative ideas into a market-ready products. This initiative was also a response to the lack of specialized centers capable of testing, measuring, and calibrating biomedical equipment within the country. Certainly, a project we're particularly proud of is Agapay Project, a wearable robotic exoskeleton designed for the rehabilitation of patients post-stroke or with injuries. It is a testament to our focus of creating reliable, safe, accessible, and cost-effective healthcare solutions. The Agapay project is user-friendly and supports the physical therapy for upper limb motion recovery, enhancing the quality of life for stroke survivors in the Philippines. It's all about making tangible impact. By collaborating with industry leaders and healthcare providers, we ensure that our technologies are not reach the market but genuinely meet the needs of the patient and the professionals in medical field. This synergy between academia and industry is crucial to accelerating the development and adoption of our technologies. Our work at the intersection of engineering and medical sciences is not just about innovation, it's about improving lives. Collaboration is absolutely vital. It is enable us to push beyond conventional boundaries of what is possible. Through partnership with academia and industry, we're not just creating innovative solutions, we're setting up new standards for healthcare technologies locally and globally. In IBIT's effort in innovation have been recognized with multiple patents, including the internal patents from Singapore, South Korea, Vietnam, and closely now from the US for Agapay project. This accomplishment underscore our commitment to excellence and global impact in biomedical engineering and health technologies. IBET has also achieved the Most Outstanding Institution Award by the National Research Council of the Philippines for 2022.